Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to model the toroidal coil. First sweep, then offset all the surfaces. Next sweep a twisted surface. Then sweep the coil. The 3D sketch is intersected with two surfaces, the offset surface and the sweep surface. Okay, next we'll go to the details. Create a new sketch on the top plane. Draw a line. Then change to circle. And set the 0 point at the middle of the bottom line. Set the radius to 150 and the length to 500. Finish the sketch. Next, create a new sketch on the front plane. Draw a slot. Next, set the radius to 20. And then the length to 70. And make the middle point to be pierced with the sketch. Next, sweep, select two sketches. Next, go to surface, offset surface. Select all the surfaces and offset 4.1 millimeters. After that, create a new sketch on the front plane. Draw a vertical line. Click and hold the right button, slide to dimension. Set the length to 100. And make the point to be pierced with the sketch. Next, sweep again. Select two sketches and go to Options. Select the Specify Twist Value and Revolutions in 50. After that, go to Sketch, Intersection Curve. Select two surfaces. Now we have the 3D curves. Surfaces. Then we are going to modify the begin and the end a little bit. Draw a line on both sides of the coil. One is horizontal and another is vertical. And make this vertical line to be cotangent with the coil and delete the curve. And make these two lines to be equal. Set the length to 100. Next, go to Tools, Spline Tools, Fit Spline, and select all the lines and uncheck Closed Spline. Finish the sketch. Then go to Features, Sweep, and choose Circular Profile. Set diameter as 8. Okay, that's it. Thank you for your watching. See you next time.